Hello, everyone. Welcome to another helpful episode of English with Altaf. Today's topic is very close to many people's hearts. We are going to talk about something simple but very real: the fear of making friends because of weak English.
That's right. Many people want to make new friends, talk confidently, and be social, but their English holds them back. In this video, we will show you how to overcome this fear and how to speak English in a way that helps you connect with others.
Let's begin with a real situation. Imagine you're at a gathering, maybe a birthday party or a class event. You see people talking and laughing. You want to join them. You want to say something, but you stop. Why? Because you're scared your English isn't good enough.
This happens more often than people admit, and I've been there too. I remember when I was younger, I wanted to talk to some new classmates. They were speaking in English. I had ideas and jokes in my mind, but I didn't speak. I was afraid they might laugh at my accent or grammar, so I stayed quiet.
I can relate too. There was a time I wanted to make new friends online. I joined a group chat where everyone spoke in English. I wanted to write something, but I kept erasing my messages. I thought, what if they think I'm silly? And finally, I left the chat without saying anything.
This is very common, but here's the truth. English is just a language, not a test of your personality, your kindness, your smile, your interest in others. These are more important in friendship than perfect English.
Yes, and making mistakes is a part of learning. When babies learn to speak, they don't say everything perfectly. They try, they speak, and they learn by doing. The same rule applies to English.
Exactly. When I started practicing English, I began with small sentences. I would say, "Hi, how are you?" Or, "Nice to meet you." Slowly, I added more. "What do you do? Where are you from?" And guess what? Most people responded kindly.
That's a great point. People are usually happy when you try to speak their language. It shows effort. And if someone laughs or judges, remember, it's their weakness, not yours.
So, what can we do to improve? First, practice basic conversations daily. Even if you're alone, talk to yourself. Say, "Today I am feeling happy," or "I want to go for a walk." This builds confidence.
Second, watch English shows with subtitles. Try to repeat the dialogues. It helps with pronunciation and also teaches you how real conversations flow.
Third, find someone who is also learning English. Practice together. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to try.
And don't forget to use simple words. Many people think they need big, fancy words to speak good English. That's not true. Even native speakers use simple words most of the time.
That's right. For example, instead of saying, "I'm experiencing a feeling of loneliness," just say, "I feel lonely." Clear and simple is always better.
Let's give our viewers a short conversation they can practice with friends.
Sure, here it is. A. Hi, my name is Sarah. What's your name? B. Hello, Sarah. I'm Ahmed. Nice to meet you. A. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? B. I'm from Lahore. And you? A. I'm from Karachi.
See? Simple, short, and easy. If you practice this kind of conversation, you will feel ready to speak in real life.
Also, don't fear pauses. If you forget a word, it's okay to stop and think. Just smile and continue. No one speaks perfectly all the time.
That's a great reminder. I also want to say this. Write down new words you hear during the day. Try to use them in your own sentences.
Yes, writing helps a lot. Even a few lines a day will make your English stronger. For example, write, "Today I talked to someone in English. I felt nervous, but I did it." That's a big win.
Another tip is to record yourself speaking. Listen to it. Notice where you are doing well and where you can improve. It's like being your own teacher.
And finally, don't wait for perfect English to make friends. Friendships are made with feelings, not grammar. Start with what you know. People will understand your heart, even if your words are not perfect.
Let's quickly review what we've shared today. We talked about the fear of speaking English while trying to make friends. We shared our own experiences and gave simple tips to improve.
Yes, we also showed how small steps like daily speaking practice, using simple sentences, and watching English shows can help build confidence.
And most importantly, we learned that English should never stop you from making friends. Your smile, your kindness, and your courage matter more.
That's right. So from today, promise yourself, you will not let English hold you back. You will try, speak, make mistakes, and improve.
Thank you for watching English with Altaf. We hope you feel more confident now.
And remember, you are not alone on this journey. We are here with you. See you in the next video.
Take care and keep speaking English.
Goodbye and happy learning.